Hello from New York, welcome to my channel. If you ever wondered how to find a good coach for you, and if you really want to know how to find a real life coach for your personal and professional growth, continue watching. Many people use the services of life coaches to make their lives better. However, not every specialist can bring the result that the client expects. That is why it is very important to approach the question of choosing a professional competently. So today, during this video, I will share with you one of the very important things that professional coach should have. So if you want to know that, continue watching. Professional coach always has a good and high quality education. It should be a good academy or institute where he studied. Often such training takes at least 6 months. In the process, the coach has mandatory hours, passes exams and tests, and only after that he has a diploma. If someone has a diploma in 10, 20 or 30 days, this is a reason to think about the quality and the results obtained. It is better if the coach studied of the standards of International Coach Federation. ICF is the largest professional coaching organization in the world, so its standards are known and understood everywhere. There are 3 levels of ICF. It's ACC, PCC, and MCC. Each level speaks about hours of training and coaching sessions and degree of the coaching skills. This is also can tell you about the numbers of hours of training in coaching programs. For example, the ACC level has 100 plus hours. The MCC level has 2,500 plus hours, and PCC level has 500 hours plus. Now I invite you to come more close to the steps to how to find a right coach for you. Do your research of potential coaches. You can use your network to begin your search for the right coach, or utilize coaching websites that can help you to find a coach who fits your goals. You can start your search in very famous social media like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or for sure a Google can help you with that. And don't forget to ask your friends, because as usual your friends can heard about some good coaches, or they even tried a coaching services in some platforms or in some Instagram or Facebook accounts. Step number 2, talk to different coaches, at least to 3 of them. Today you can find a coach that almost captured every area of your life. That could be relationship coaches, business coaches, goal-setting coaches, or spiritual coaches, and so on. You may meet more, but 3 is a sufficient number to get an idea of who you felt most aligned with. Business coach can help you if you want to start a business but you don't know how, or if you have your own business for a long time but it doesn't bring the desired result. Goal-setting coach can help you to return and find your motivation. Put your thoughts in order and to understand what is really important for you now. And also can help you to set goals for next week, next month, 1 year, or even 5 years. In my YouTube channel, I actually shared with you before about why life goals matter. So if you're still wondering if it's really important to set up goals or no, you can find the link somewhere here. Spiritual coach can help you if you want to go to the depths of your consequences and find inner harmony and peace. Step number 3 is explore the free content. If you follow them on social media, read their articles, or watch their videos, do you feel connected? Do you like their message? It is always a good idea to check the trainer online first and then decide if you want to learn more. Step number 4, local or online. I don't want to stop here a lot, but here you need to understand what is the best way for you to communicate with coach, because as usual you choose him or her for to work together. Step number 5 is price. In such profession, the cost of services often indicates the level of the coach. A high price guarantees both a professional approach and effectiveness of coaching. Step number 6, read reviews. I'm sure you can find it in every professional coach page or Instagram or Facebook account. Reviews is very important because they may have been training for 15 years, but at least worked only with 50 clients. Step number 7 is chemistry meeting. If it's possible and accessible in the Instagram page, Facebook, or website, you can set up the meeting with the coach. It can be 10-15 minutes during which you will ask the questions for the coach and you will be more sure about the connection between you and him. So after that, you will be more clear about if this person is good for you to work with, if you have the willingness and desire to work together. Sense of connection. Sense of connection, it is the important factor of choosing a right coach. You will spend a lot of time with this person and you will most likely discuss the intimate details of your personal and professional life. So finding someone with whom you will resonate and feel comfortable together, it is of primary importance. If there is something in person that repels you for internal or external feelings, think about it. It will always tell you whether to trust this person or not, and if you want to continue work with this person together. Because coaching is always partnership between you and the coach. I'm wondering if you had an experience to work with coach, and I'll be happy if you will share in the comments below how you find him or her. I'm sure the people who's looking for a coach will be happy if you will share your own experience of choosing a coach for your growing. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, subscribe to my channel, make like to this video, and I will be happy to see you in my next video soon. Have a great day.